Hello guys, this is how to fix Google Chrome slow downloading. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the video. You're gonna go ahead and open up Chrome, and then you're gonna click on the three dots on the top right corner, open up settings, and then you're gonna click on privacy and security, and then scroll down, look for security. And then once you find it, we're looking for the DNS secure. So we're gonna go ahead and make sure that that is checked, that is enabled. Um, and then the we're gonna do a custom check, and you're either gonna pick Google or Cloudflare. Those are the two best options. So whichever one you pick between Google and Cloudflare, it should be okay. So right now we are looking for a system, and just make sure that the the background, the running of apps in the background is disabled. Um, so just make sure that that option is checked. There we go, disable that. And then what we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna go ahead and access our extensions. So we're gonna click on the three dots on the top right corner, and then we're gonna make our way down to the extensions, manage extensions. And then in this section, you're gonna go ahead and disable all the unused extensions that you no longer use as often, um, that you don't use at all. You can go ahead and delete or disable, and then go to your search bar and just type in Chrome flags, just like how it is on the screen right there. So that's Chrome flags. And then you're gonna find the search bar. As soon as you open that page, search parallel, and then make sure that that option is enabled. So the drop menu down there, go ahead and click on that and make sure that it is on enabled. And once you've done that, you're gonna go ahead and restart your PC. So it is that quick and it is that easy to increase your Chrome download speed. So I hope all the information in this video has been helpful, and thank you again for watching.